Hey, this is Brad from Acoustic Worshiper. I wanted to show you something cool you can do when you're playing in the key of G and you don't want to play just a regular D chord. There's your regular D. So when you do say something like G, C, and D, you got G, C, and D, usually there. Another thing you can do is take your C chord shape, slide it up 2 frets. So it's like G, C. Kind of an odd dissonant sounding chord. I'm not sure the exact name of the chord, but that doesn't matter. So you got another thing you can do is fit the slide in with your strumming pattern. Alright, there you go. Hey, if you like what you've just watched, head over to acousticworshiper.com for more resources on how to play acoustic guitar for worship at your next level. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.